Everyone, in this video we are going to learn all the terms in set which we have learned till the last two videos. So first, if my mother set epsilon is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I am assuming three sets. First one, A is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. My B set is 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, and my C set is 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. So I know this sets. Now if I write my A complement is from epsilon I will subtract A, not like from epsilon whatever the element is there A, I am not going to take this element. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 leaving, we can take 4, 7, 8, 9, that is the part of A complement, right? So B complement will be, I have taken 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, so it will be 2, 4, 5, 9. Do you agree that all the sets cardinal numbers are equal, so these sets are equivalent set, right? So C complement will be, but not equal. C complement will be 1, 5, 7, 8. All of you understood the concept of complement? Now A union B. A union B means all the elements of A and B, but as it is the collection of distinct objects, so I am not going to repeat the object. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will be B union C? B union C will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. What will be C union A? All the elements of C and A. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Correct? So these are the concept of A union B, B union C and C union A. Now if I will consider A intersection B, that's the common element of A and B. A intersection B, from there just check. What are the common elements? We have 3 common and we have 6 common, right? So elements will be 3 and 6. Also we have 1 common here, right? So 1, 3, 6. What will be B intersection C? Just check. We have 3 common, we have 6 common. Anything else? No. So B intersection will be 3, 6. What will be A intersection C? We have 3 and 6 common, 3 and 6 common, and also we have 2 common, right? So it will be 2, 3, 6 is A intersection C. Now if I ask A union B complement, things are getting tougher, I know, but still try to do it. A union B complement will be epsilon minus A union B. So from A union B, if I just take out all the elements of for epsilon, from epsilon if I just take out all the elements of A union B, I will be left out with 4 and 9, right? So that will be A union B complement. What will be B union C complement? B union C complement is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be only the element. What will be C union A complement? C union A complement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the C union A complement, right? By mistake I wrote 9. So it will be 7 and 8 only. Now if I have to find out A complement union B complement, A complement union B complement, A complement union B complement, Just check, it will be 4 2 4 5 7 8 9, right? So it will be 2 4 5 7 8 9. What will be A complement intersection B complement? A complement intersection B complement, that will be only 4, right? No, 9 is also part. Okay. So that will be 4 comma 9. Just check now this two. Same element. So can we say that A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement? Right? Also, if I will write A intersection B complement, this one complement, if I write A intersection B complement here, A intersection B complement will be 2 4 5 7 8 9, right? So A intersection B complement 2 4 5 7 8 9. Now check this two, this one and this one are the same. So this is, again we can write that A intersection B complement, that will be equals to A complement union B complement. This two is known as De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. Now what will be A minus B? As I said, A minus B will be your those elements of A which are not part of B. So A minus B will be those elements of A which is not part of B. So can I say it's 2 comma 5? Now calculate what is A intersection B complement. What is A intersection B complement? If I will check there A intersection B complement, just check this two. This is A and this is B complement. What are the common part? 2 and 5, right? That is also 2 and 5. So can we say that A minus B is equals to A intersection B complement, right? So this all we have in this. Now one more we will discuss, that is A minus B union B minus A. That is known as A symmetric B, symmetric difference. So A minus B already we got, but what is B minus A? Just check, in A and B we have 1 comma 3 comma 6 common. So B minus A will be 7 comma 8, right? So B minus A will be 7 comma 8. So A symmetric B will be 2 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8. All these elements. Is it fine? I hope all of you understood. This is the definition of asymmetric B. We have discussed the concept of union, intersection, A minus B, complement, everything. Hope you understood this video. Thank you. If you have any problem in any sum, please do write it in the comment box. Thank you.